Immediately after I was born, I needed heart surgery due to the fact that I was a preemie. It was at a very difficult time in history when blood was not screened for the HIV virus. During that surgery, I received many blood transfusions, and one of them, or a few of them, had HIV. It was my mother's decision to keep that from me because she wanted me to live as much of a normal life as possible. Prior to 16, I had no idea that I was HIV positive. There was, when I did get pneumocystis pneumonia at the age of 12, my mother was very adamant, and there was a note on the door when any doctors or nurses were coming through the door, this patient cannot know his diagnosis. I'm happy that I was told later rather than sooner, because I think that it would have, it may have isolated me as a person, and I wouldn't be the person that I am today, being able to, tell my story.
Alex and I have known each other for probably close to 20 years now. We had lost touch for close to 10 years just because I changed schools and people lose touch. We reconnected through Facebook, and almost immediately when we started hanging out again, Alex disclosed to my girlfriend at the time, who's now my wife, and we were both very surprised. I think partly because we had a lack of understanding of the disease. I can't possibly imagine how hard it would be going through your still adolescent life, even though you learned at 16. You're still very young. And how you cope with that, and when and how you tell your friends, or when and how you would tell a girlfriend or partner. So the fact that he was able to do all those things and able to be as strong as he is and grow into the person that he's become, it brought about a newfound respect and admiration for him as an individual.
People that are HIV positive are no different than anyone else.
Educate yourself, educate those around you. You'd feel a lot less personal stigma towards the disease or condition, and individuals who have it if you're educated.
Let's stop HIV together. Get the facts, get tested, get involved.